Hello, students. I'm Neeti, your English teacher. Today, I will explain you all punctuation and capital letters. Punctuation marks are used to put pauses in a written sentence or a passage to communicate the intended meaning better and clearly. Read the following sentences carefully. He has composed a poem, a statement ending with full stop. He has composed a poem, an exclamatory sentence with an exclamation mark. Has he composed a poem, an interrogative sentence ending with a question mark? The above sentences indicate that the same group of words can be said to ask a question, to make a statement, or to express surprise. The punctuation marks hold the key to this secret, so the use of punctuation marks can alter the meaning of group of words. Punctuation marks have to be used carefully to convey the right meaning. Important punctuation marks are generally used for full stop, comma, inverted commas, exclamation marks, question mark, colon, semicolon, apostrophe, hyphen, dash. Features. A full stop is used to mark the end of a statement, a command, a request, or an instruction. Example, get me a glass of juice. Command. Delhi is a historical city. Statement. We also use a full stop to write a decimal number. Example, 44.2. We also use a full stop after an abbreviation or any initials. Question mark is placed at the end of an interrogative sentence. Example, whose watch is this? Inverted commas are used to enclose the actual words of the speaker. Rita said, my bag is heavy. Apostrophe is used to show possession or omission of letters. Example, the boy's shoes are polished. Possession, they didn't believe me, did not. To show time and distance. Example, she need a month's leave. To form plural of letters and figures. There are 2 Emmys in that group of teachers. While writing any name ending with S, we add only an apostrophe to possession. Example, John Keats' poems are masterpieces in the treasury of English literature. In case of plural nouns which end with the letter S, the apostrophe is added, but an S is not added after it. Examples, boys' hostel has all the facilities. Girls' school is near the post office. However, when the plural nouns do not end with an S, then after the apostrophe an S is used. Children's books are being sold in the bookshop at 50% discount. Men's ready-made shirts are available at all the leading showrooms in the mall. We use an apostrophe with expressions of time, space, and money. Examples, he has gone on 2 months' leave. An apostrophe is not used with ours, yours, his, hers, and theirs. Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark is used after exclamations or expressions. Wow, what a lovely view! Semicolon. Semicolon is used to indicate a longer pause than a comma. It separates pair of words. Example, sees, board are homophones. It also separates parts of a sentence if the parts have internal commas. Example, the crisp, crunchy wafers were delicious, but we could not finish the entire packet. A semicolon is also used to mark independent clauses which have not been joined by a conjunction. Example, Reena is bringing the map and the globe. Rashi is getting the atlas and the compass. It is often used before words like moreover, however, then, nevertheless, hence, therefore, consequently, obviously. If these words come between independent clauses which are not joined by conjunctions, then a semicolon is used. Example, she has fractured her leg, hence she cannot go on the trip. Number 7. Colon is used to introduce a quotation or a speech. Example, mother said, honesty is the best policy. It is also used to introduce a list. Example, before I went for a picnic, I packed the following: a packet of biscuits, a can of juice, a bar of chocolate, and a garden umbrella. It may be used to state an explanation, a statement, or a proposition. Example, the plan to boost sales was this: approach the customers directly, advertise in the newspapers, put banners on the street posts. Use of capital letters to begin the first word of a sentence. Example, he began to cry. Number 2, to begin the first word of every line of a poem. Example, till the little ones weary, no more can be weary. To begin the first word of direct speech, he said, come here. For proper nouns and proper adjectives. Examples, Gitanjali, Ramesh, Goa, Indian, Chinese, Indian, American. Number 5, to begin names of days, months. Examples, Monday, July, the 5th Saturday of this month. For names of historic buildings and monuments. Examples, the Golden Temple, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. Number 7, for names of airports, stations, train, brand names. Example, Rajdhani Express. To begin names of school, colleges, political parties, business houses. Examples, Mary Hart's Public School, Hansraj College. To begin names of special events, special days. Example, the Independence Day, the Satyagraha movement. While writing titles of essays, stories, the first letter of all the words is written in capital except prepositions, conjunctions, and articles. Example, the most memorable day of my life. 11, to write the official names of government department, letters of important officers in high ranks. Example, the Home Minister, the Chief Minister. For names of books, journal, newspapers, novels. Example, the Times of India, India Today, the God of Small Things. Number 13, while writing the pronoun I and all the words which stand for God. Example, I like to watch movies. Use of comma, it expresses the shortest pause within a sentence. The comma is used. Number 1, to separate words, phrases, and pair of words in a sentence. Example, I ate biscuits and chips, chocolates and cookies. I enjoyed the taste of everything. To separate words in a series. He brought scissors, a bottle of gum, and glazed paper to make a poster. You will not notice that we should not use a comma after word which is followed by and to mark a word or group of words in opposition. Example, hurry, my brother is about to reach. To mark off a direct quotation. Example, she said, let us go. To 5, to separate the words yes or no from the rest of the sentence. Number 6, to separate the months and the year, the date and the year. Example, June 10, 2021. In a letter after the salutation and at the end, just before the signature. Dear Sir. But in modern times, no comma is put after Dear Sir. To separate question tags, he is fine, isn't it? Isn't he? Use of dash. Dash is used before or after a list. Example, Aditya and Vikram both love adventure sports. It is also used to mark a break in sentence. Example, he desired to be set free from captivity, but the rules did not permit it. It is also used to mark the word in opposition. Example, Delhi, the capital of India. Thank you.